Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of old wine barrels, those timeless vessels that have aged gracefully through the years. From their rich history in winemaking to their stunning transformations into unique furniture pieces, we'll explore how these rustic treasures can add charm to your home. Whether you're a wine enthusiast, a DIY lover, or just someone looking to spruce up your living space, you're in for a treat. So grab a glass of your favorite wine, sit back, and let's get started. Old wine barrels, once a vital part of the winemaking process, have found a new lease on life in the realm of furniture design and home decor. Their robust construction, unique aesthetic, and rich history make them a favored choice for both rustic and modern interiors. This comprehensive exploration will delve into the history of wine barrels, their construction and use in winemaking, and innovative furniture ideas that can be crafted from these iconic vessels. Origins of winemaking. The origins of winemaking can be traced back thousands of years to ancient civilizations in regions such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. The earliest evidence of wine production dates back to around 1600 BC in present-day Georgia. As winemaking evolved, so did the methods of storage and transportation. The advent of barrels. Initially, wine was stored in clay amphorae or large ceramic vessels. However, around 400 BC, the Celts began using wooden barrels for storage, which revolutionized the winemaking process. Wood was abundant, and barrels offered several advantages over clay. Durability: wooden barrels are more resilient to breakage than clay. Portability: the cylindrical shape allowed for easier transportation. Flavor enhancement: oak barrels impart unique flavors to wine during aging, enhancing its complexity. Barrel construction. Traditional wine barrels are made from oak, chosen for its strength and ability to impart desirable flavors. The process of barrel making, known as coopering, involves several steps. Selection of wood: high-quality oak is selected for its grain and moisture content. Staving: the wood is cut into staves, which are then shaped to fit together. Bending: staves are heated and bent into a curved shape. For assembly, the staves are assembled and held together with metal hoops. Toasting: the inside of the barrel is toasted over an open flame to develop flavors. The role of barrels in winemaking. Barrels play a crucial role in the aging process of wine. They allow for microoxygenation, which softens tannins and enhances flavor. The type of oak, level of toasting, and age of the barrel all influence the final product. Wines aged in barrels often exhibit notes of vanilla, spice, and caramel. Transforming wine barrels into furniture. As winemaking has modernized, many old barrels are retired after their useful life in the winery. Instead of being discarded, these barrels can be repurposed into beautiful and functional pieces of furniture. Here are some creative ideas for using old wine barrels in home decor. 1. Wine barrel coffee table. A classic transformation is turning a wine barrel into a coffee table. This piece can serve as a focal point in a living room or patio area. Design ideas. Glass top: place a round or rectangular glass top on the barrel for a modern touch while preserving the rustic charm. Storage compartment: use the hollow interior for storing magazines or blankets. 2. Wine barrel chairs. Wine barrels can be cut and reshaped to create comfortable seating options. Barrel stools: cut the barrel in half and add cushions for a rustic bar stool. Armchairs: modify the shape further to create a cozy armchair, complete with upholstery. 3. Wine barrel planters. Old barrels make excellent planters due to their size and drainage capabilities. Garden decor, use whole barrels as large planters for flowers or small trees. Vertical gardens, cut the barrel into sections and mount them on a wall for a vertical garden display. 4. Wine barrel shelving. Repurposing barrels into shelving units adds character to any room. Wall shelves, cut sections of the barrel to create floating shelves. Bookcases, stack several barrels horizontally or vertically to create a unique bookcase. 5. Wine barrel lighting fixtures. Transforming barrels into lighting fixtures can add warmth to your home. Chandeliers, use the top half of a barrel to create a rustic chandelier by adding light fixtures inside. Table lamps, smaller sections of barrels can be converted into table lamps with appropriate wiring. Wine barrel bars. For those who love entertaining, a wine barrel bar can be a stunning addition to your home. Outdoor bar, set up a couple of barrels with a countertop for an outdoor bar area. Indoor wet bar, incorporate barrels into a built-in wet bar with shelves for glasses and bottles. Wine barrel desks. A sturdy barrel can be transformed into a stylish desk. Writing desk, place a flat surface on top of a barrel for a unique writing desk. Computer desk, incorporate shelves for computer equipment while maintaining the barrel's aesthetic. Decorative accents. In addition to functional furniture pieces, old wine barrels can be used as decorative accents throughout your home. Wine racks, utilize segments of barrels as wine racks for an authentic touch. Wall art, hang sections of barrel heads on walls as rustic art pieces. Old wine barrels carry with them centuries of history and craftsmanship. Their transformation into functional furniture not only preserves this heritage but also adds unique character to modern homes. From coffee tables to lighting fixtures, the possibilities are endless when it comes to repurposing these iconic vessels. By embracing creativity and sustainability, we can honor the past while enhancing our living spaces with timeless charm, and that wraps up our journey through the world of old wine barrels. We hope you found inspiration in the unique ways these rustic pieces can enhance your home decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative ideas and projects. We love hearing from you, so drop a comment below with your favorite way to repurpose old barrels or any ideas you'd like us to explore next. Thanks for watching, and remember, every piece has a story. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.